Thank you guys for tuning in one more time. So in this video I'm going to show you guys how to get subscribers for free, or you could pay. So that's with this app. So let's go to the app store. It's completely legal. And I want you guys to type in sub for sub, and it should be the first option that comes out. So I already have it installed, so I'm gonna just open it. And the way it works, oh look, there's a sale going on, so let's check out the sale. 200 points for 99 cents, but that's if you want to pay. But look, I'm gonna hit subscribe and I'm at 166. I'm gonna be at 168, so that's how you get it for free. Now the way you're rewarded through this is you go get subscribers, and it gives you the options: 10 subscribers for 50 points, 25 subscribers for 125. I'm gonna hit this 25 subscribers to show you guys how it works. I'm at 225 right now, and I should be at 250 when you guys probably see this video. So you guys will see that there is actually a sort of a time limit, I would say. Earlier today I was up at 300 something subscribers, but a lot of them unsubscribed. So I would say you want to use this method more when you're about to post a video and you want to get a lot of views, and it would work. So look into it, guys. This is a great way to get more views. I wouldn't say depend on it, but get to it and get subscribers. You know, we're here to help. You guys have any questions, let me know.